To add a calendar date picker in Google Sheets, start by opening your Google Sheet and selecting the cell where you want the date picker to appear. Next, go to the Data tab in the menu and click on Data Validation. In the Data Validation dialog box, select Date from the Criteria drop-down menu and choose the format you want for your date. Then, select the checkbox next to Show Picker and click Save. This will add a small calendar icon to the right of the selected cell. When you click on this icon, a calendar will appear allowing you to select a date. You can also restrict the dates that can be selected by setting a minimum and maximum date in the Data Validation dialog box. To take it a step further, you can also use Google Sheets add-ons to create a more advanced date picker. To do this, go to the Add-ons tab in the menu and click on Get Add-ons. Search for Date Picker and select the add-on you want to install. Once installed, you can use the add-on to create a custom date picker that meets your specific needs. When using a date picker in Google Sheets, it is best practice to make sure the cell is formatted as a date to ensure the selected date is displayed correctly. You can do this by going to the Format tab in the menu and selecting Number, then Date. By following these steps, you can easily add a calendar date picker to your Google Sheet and make it easier to select dates. This can be especially useful when creating schedules or tracking deadlines. With a date picker, you can avoid having to manually type in dates and reduce the risk of errors.